I'm gonna see if he can be dragged before Serpent Descending.
One more drama? I'm A.
Yeah, you go A, I go D, and Lycona and Mimi take the back ones. We have to talk about it again because this is like changed everything. So Lycona, can you take C? Mimi, can you take B?
Sure.
And I'll take D and Pelly takes A.
Oh, I didn't get one this time.
Neither did I.
I think all the DPS got them.
Move out.
Oh
Because
my God.
Tiger has second aggro.
Oh no. No diversion. No.
I'm not second, it's Lycona.
Okay.
Burke,
You
please.
were.
You were second.
Burke, please.
Oh.
I already have. Move away. Alright. Come to south side with enemies.
No, Tiger, you gotta go
Oh,
away
Tiger.
with your tether.
But isn't it just a knockback?
It's an
Wait,
AoE
what?
knockback. Sure, actually. Tell you the truth.
I mean, it didn't seem to hit you guys, it just put me
It
in
hit
the-
me. No, it hit me. But it only does like 6,000.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't knock you off? Knock you out?
It
Yeah,
just
it does.
pushes the person back with the tether.
Doesn't matter now,
It
but
pushed,
later
no,
it'll-
it pushed me back as well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll on the next phase.
you don't want to get pushed in the water, get stunned.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's why I think we need to cross the tethers so that there's a larger travel distance so you don't get knocked into the water later.
Is
Yeah, that's probably a
is
good
the
idea.
AoE from the player character, or like the source of the damage is from the tether?
It's from the source, so
The source.
from where the tether is coming
Oh,
from.
I
so
see,
it's not
yeah.
sticking there.
Cross the
Yeah.
streams solves everything.
Man, this shit's harder than Chaos.
Arguable.
I guess we'll know after it's cleared, and then we can be like, it's easy now that we know it.
Good times.
Very serpentine boy. Oh my god. So I start off in the middle of this AoE.
It's north. Oh, east. Said it's always east and west, right?
Yes,
it's
so
either
far.
2 or 1.
I could be wrong.
Facing it more. Go right,
side?
right.
One side.
Fifth element.
Let's start down.
Other side. One more. Other
And
side.
there will be snakes.
They'll quarter either 1 or 2.
Snakes are on 1.
1.
I feel like the snakes will always spawn on the opposite side. The last fist was on.
News at 11.
Doubles. Moving back into the center, facing north.
He moved himself, didn't he? Yeah.
This one, yeah.
Is this the grid and stuff?
Double out,
Out.
and then
Stay out completely, wait. Go now.
Then into grids.
grid and then that mechanic again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Blech.
In
Out.
and then out.
Yeah,
In.
no, sorry, in. Out.
Out.
And then I can reposition them again.
So he's gonna do that. What was it called? Rising Serpents or something?
Ascending
Serpent.
stuff.
Ascending.
Look at your markers. Look at your markers.
Don't
I'm
move
D.
too early though. You're gonna drop an AoE under you.
Yeah, don't move there now. Just look where you need to go.
Venom, am I still
Don't
A?
have E. You're going to A, Bay.
Yeah, okay. No, I got
DPS?
AoE anyway.
DPS?
Oh, I don't know where I'm going.
Good luck.
No, Amon, you don't come in.
Go to your groups.
Yep.
I died to autos.
Sorry.
Aim on and move
Uh-oh.
after the split. Aim on,
1
move.
to
Go,
2,
go, go.
Amon. 1 to
Over
2.
here, Amon. Yep.
Yep, nice.
Oh, we did it.
That's cool.
AoE.
Fifth element.
AoE.
There might be tank busters after this, I think.
Yeah, hold up. Yeah, Venom's up. I'll hold aggro, don't Voke until.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
You're about to eat a tank buster, remember?
We're gonna have to stand next to the tanks here.
Bay, you're okay, I think. It's just me.
Yeah, you can stand on me.
Tanks off,
I may as well just stay here though.
Thanks once again.
Yep. There we go. I'll keep in where he's facing, north.
It hurts.
AoE.
Reprising.
The more interesting tank busters.
Alright, this is chaos right here. It's gonna be the 2 golems, I think.
Yeah. This is south, guys. Make sure you guys... And then listen to what Pally said. Crisscross them. Your tethers.
Jump to me. In and then out.
I'll get the one behind me.
In and then out. In, back.
I'm gonna eat one.
And out.
That's okay. Sorry, I'm focusing on golems. Going for my tether.
Or chase a tank.
Come to...
This is the range tether.
Come to...
Go to C.
Yeah, come
Oh, not C, over here.
crisscross them.
Oops.
They move... Lycona, move away from it.
Big boy.
Grid.
There's a grid coming out, then
Yeah,
focus
cool.
on big boy.
Big arm. Wave arm.
2
Other
side.
side.
Left,
One.
left.
Ah.
Ah, you hear him on screen.
Fifth element.
I'm up.
Next,
One
arm.
Balls
There's gonna be
ready,
one
keep
more
on.
arm and then snakes. One more arm and then snakes. Oh no, snakes now.
Side,
Snakes
move
now.
1. Move 1.
One.
What side are they on?
They're not up yet.
We don't know yet.
There
No,
was one
they're
more
They
arm.
always spawn on the
there we go.
opposite
side. Two.
Two. I'm going defensive.
Save limit break.
And
In and then out.
Sorry, in and out.
out.
Watch out for the hand.
Arm,
Oh,
get to
watch
the
out.
other side.
Two.
Oh, shit.
Remember the opposite arm now.
Yeah, come to 1.
There'll be one more arm.
The
I'm
other
gonna
side,
try and
two.
drag him into the halfway point. Oh, there we go.
2.
Summoning ads.
Let's go two side.
Go to the
There,
other side.
Go to the snake side.
Wait for
It's always
snakes.
opposite. Always opposite.
One. Go to
Alright.
one.
Cool.
Right,
he
there
doesn't
might be a
really know
snake. Stack
mechanics
marker
here.
here. Stack marker tanks.
Is this a double?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, double.
It is.
Oh.
Shit.
It's alright, it's okay. Only two
we
people
move
died.
away.
Oh wait, I'm
We don't
getting
need
him,
it.
I'm
We
getting
don't need it.
We'll sort a thing out for that.
My veil's out.
him. Tank buster.
Oh, Venom.
Okay.
Double tank. Double tank.
Watch where you're standing.
It's on Venom. Venom will tank bust. Should kill
Okay,
during
might
this.
do it again.
I'll help you, Vey.
Yeah, no problem. Voked.
Oh, I can't.
Hey.
There you go.
Hey.
Hey, easy game.
Good job.
That was fun. I like that fight.